Hello there. It's your boy, Tasty Cake. Second try. So, let's start off with what happened on Monday. Too many tabs up, and the blue screen came back up again. So, okay, I had too many programs running. It's supposed to stop this. It's supposed to put other things to sleep, but I just ran too much. It's just like overloaded. Fine. And I learned I was supposed to close out all the tabs except for two, YouTube Studio and YouTube, so I can see myself. And it just kept going live. So crap, it's spinning too long. This is the second week in a row it's done that. The first hour, I was pixelated. Second hour, changed. I was perfect. Third hour, I brought up a tab with YouTube music on it. So listen to this live, And then everything went. Couldn't hear anything. So the second hour was the best. So I went on again. New show. 15 minutes. No comments. There's no need of comments. I was talking with this guy who was saying, well, woke people, this and that. It's like, you can watch the video. I got my point across for what I said to him. That it babbled on for an hour. Because he kept posting. I'm sure you could watch it, but I turn off the comments. I just want to get that said what I said. And there's nothing wrong with what I said. And even tonight, Christian said I forgot what the words he said. The reviews of the Reverend Amagon does not reflect the religion of the Traveling TARDIS. I said doesn't. It's me raving and ranting. That's who I am. That's what society made of me. Bunch of narcissists and everything else, putting me into the lowest end of the spectrum of agony. It's like, you know what? I'm tired of being bullied. I bully you, kind of thing. Or I just want to be left alone. Don't push this on me because I don't care. The it is what it is attitude, which is underneath the patch here, which it is what it is, and that's what we keep saying. Because we're just tired of it all. And that's pretty much why I got the point through over an hour of battling. But since it was two Monday nights in a row, it had the pixelation, I'm going to put it to Instagram. I'm doing Instagram Live. Maybe I'll do it at 6 p.m. Maybe I'll try Instagram Live at 6 p.m. just because. Yeah, I'll leave the time. I said I was going to do 9:30, but no. I'm going to do Instagram Live 6 p.m. Monday nights. And I can only be under an hour because it shuts me off. Legend Traveling TARDIS, they're doing an interview next Tuesday with someone from Ancient Con. It's like, I'll try. I don't want to. We'll see what happens. Candyman and I were like, it's in the States. So like, he's not sure about it. I'm not sure about it. It's in Florida. It's like, we don't. Just Christian. Maybe Gadget will pop in because she does the big cons. We'll see. See what happens. But all in all, I'm still with the Legend of Traveling TARDIS, and it's always 6 p.m. So if I'm not on screen, which was pixelated tonight as well, I'm in the chat. So I said I was going to switch this out tomorrow. I'd switch it out. No big deal. It seems the cord is a little bit shorter because it's not giving me enough room. But it's still fine. This is 5 years newer than what I've been using. 2012. So this is my third. I'm not counting the one that blew up. Because I was a new Netgear. It was a whole uber expensive one. And it really doesn't match the older cable modem router. Fine. This is the fourth version. I had the original one. It died. I had this one. Then, of course, he died. because the computer would fail. I put up the brand spanking new one that cost me big buku bucks. The first two cost me buku bucks because going to buy it for the first time, you know. The third one blew up, got my money back. The second one of the second version I've been using, but past couple of weeks more so, I've had the signal just blurry and pixelation. So it's always been with this type of wireless adapter. So now this is my fourth version, stepping back. Everything seems to be kosher. It's a Wi-Fi signal. It's just going out. Everything coming in is like beautiful, beautiful with my new graphics card. But I don't know. That's all I can do is try. So that's up now. It's right there. It's very funky. My belief of now I'm going to go to Vegas in March, like I planned, but from Orlando. So I can get to the airport. Easy. The cost of getting out there, whatever it is, be shorter. It'd be like 5 days, not a week. 4 or 5 days out there. So the price thing too. What's the price? Because Tuesday tonight, it's triple down bar at the Punk Rock Museum, and therefore I'm going to be an honorary member of the Adversaries. You heard it. I'm going to be part of the band. I'm going to try and sneak in one way or another even sooner with a plan that I have. I'm going to send to my boss, James Von Bolt, of the Chains and the Adversaries. So it's going to work out. It's once a lifetime thing. All this doesn't mean anything. Being upset all the time because of narcissistic people, they're causing problems. I'm going to do it. I'm going to be happy. So Animal Kingdom, Punk Rock Museum, I pay the money off. No big deal. I'm done. It's all good. I still got to sell this stuff too. So it's all going to be good. I'm going to be happy for that. It's going to be the best birthday ever. Because we don't know what's going to happen next. I mean, I can tell you a few things, but prophecies change. Hopefully it won't come true from what I know of. But, yeah. Gonna put in September, just to put on the thing here. Instagram Live will be Mondays now. Well, and some YouTube videos here and there. So, of course, please like, subscribe, share, comment, do the thing. I believe I have, let me check here. Radical Toys is doing Michael Jackson toy merchandise. Okay, I gotta see him in a second. I have 157 subscribers. Yay! Okay, so I'll bring up Radical Toys. Do that thing there. And yes, please like, subscribe, share, comment. I talk about virtually anything. I said I wouldn't go political, but that's the way it is. Oh, I gotta say this. I just finished stream. I just finished my other show. So until okay, what was that? Till tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern. I can put Universal Time too. Do I have enough room right in Universal Time? I'm gonna put Universal Time. So what's Universal Time? It's Eastern Time. Oh, okay. We'll see. So until then, always remember, time waits and turns slowly.